In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock elements in Canva, a quick and essential skill that enhances your design experience by ensuring crucial elements remain in place while you work. This can be particularly helpful when you're collaborating with a team or when you want to prevent accidental edits on certain parts of your design. So let's dive right in and master this useful feature. To kick things off, open your Canva project and take a moment to look at your design. Identify an element that you want to lock, whether it's text, an image, or a graphic. Once you have that element pinpointed, simply click on it to select it. Selecting the element is a straightforward yet crucial step because it tells Canva exactly which item you're going to work with. Now that we have the element in focus, let's move forward. With your element selected, you'll notice the options bar that appears around it. This is where you'll find the lock feature. Look closely at the options and you should see the lock icon towards the top of your design screen. If you're struggling to locate it, don't worry. It's quite subtle and it sits alongside other tools like duplicate or delete. Just hover your cursor over the lock icon to make sure you've got the correct one. This little hover action will help you double check that you're about to click on the appropriate feature, and it's a handy reminder of the function you're about to perform. Once you have the lock icon in view and confirmed, go ahead and click on it. What this does is secure the element in your design. This means that as you move other elements around or make other modifications, this locked element will stay put. It's almost as if you've stuck it in place with a virtual pin. Congratulations, you've successfully locked an element in Canva. This action is especially beneficial in preserving the structure of your design, keeping it neat, organized, and preventing unwanted changes. You can lock multiple elements by repeating these steps, which gives you even more control over your workspace. Before wrapping up, it's worth noting that this lock isn't permanent. Whenever you need to make changes to the locked element, you can easily unlock it by clicking on the lock icon again, toggling the feature off. This flexibility allows you to tailor your design process to suit the evolving needs of each project. And that concludes our easy guide on how to lock elements in Canva. Remember, this little tip can save you a lot of time and frustration by maintaining the integrity of your design layout. Keep experimenting and enjoy designing with fewer worries about accidental moves or changes. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.